Proceed to our next example. X cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 10, and our interval is 3 and 5. Then let's find the absolute and relative maximum or minimum. Let's find the derivative of our equation. The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and the derivative of 4x is negative 8x, and the derivative of 5x is 5, and the derivative of 10 is 0. Then for us to find the value of x, we can use the quadratic formula. For us to use the quadratic formula, it is the negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then let's substitute our given. Is negative 8 positive negative square root of b squared is negative 8 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5 over 2 times 3. Negative 8 times negative is equals to positive. Positive negative. The square root of 8 is 64. 4 times 3 times 5 is equals to 60 over 6. 64 minus 60, and the square 64 minus 60 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 8 plus negative 2 over 6. Let's find the value of x, which is 8 plus 2 over 6 and 8 minus 2 over 6. X is equals to 5 over 3, and x is equals to negative 1. Then let's proceed to the sign chart. Since the 5 over 3 is greater than 1, we can put it here. And let's think some number that is greater than 5 over 3. And let's say 2. And we can substitute the 2 to our first derivative, which is here. Here. And f of first derivative is 2 is equals to 3 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 5 is equals to 1, which is positive. Then let's think some number that is lower than 5 over 3 but greater than 1. Let's say 1.5. 3 times 1.5 squared minus 8 times 1.5 plus 5 is equals to negative 3/4. And it is negative. Then let's think some number that is lower than 1. Let's say 0. 3 times 0 squared minus 8 times 0 plus 5 is equals to 5, and it is positive. When the sign is positive, the slope is increasing. When the sign is negative, the slope is decreasing. And this is called the relative maximum. When the sign is negative, the slope is decreasing. When the sign is positive, the slope is increasing. Then 5 over 3 is the relative minimum. Then let's proceed to our